of conditioning for the ring is running. Manny and the Pinoy boxers run 6 days a week. Here at Pan Pacific Park, 3 times, and at the Griffith Park, 3 times a week. This is a discipline. The Griffith Park run is a killer. 45 minutes, almost all uphill. Eric Morales goes up the Atomi Mountains in Mexico, while Manny Pacquiao runs up and down the Hollywood Hills here in Los Angeles. A tough fight is expected, so both fighters are killing themselves in training to get in good condition. From their faces, you can tell it is painful. You can smell the fresh scent of pine trees. This is the venue of one of the killer workouts of Manny Pacquiao. He climbs this thing, goes all the way up non-stop, 35 minutes. Manny Pacquiao is in great shape. After the killer run, ab work, again, painful but needed.
13, 14, 15. Eh, buto-buto ka na sana, nabawi pa. Makaboxer ba yan? Gaganda. 9, 14, 1, 2, go!
Parang mas mahirap yung training nyo ngayon, no? Harder? Talaga?
Dinubli-dubli pa.
Oh.
This is it!
At the apartment which Pacquiao rents, Manny loosens up by joking around with his friends.
That's a Labrador, my dog.
Meals are healthy. Manny eats 2 heavy meals a day. Lots of rice, soup, vegetables, meat. For leisure, Manny surfs the web. One time, we showed him his new baby, born in Jensan last October 1, Mary Divine Grace. Manny wasn't there. He replayed the video 2 or 3 times over, proud of his first baby girl.
Gusto ko na makita. Kailangan kong tiisin eh. Kailangan kong magsakripisyo para din naman to sa kay Mary Divine at kinabukasan niya at kinabukasan ng pamilya ko.
But Manny has 1 baby in his hands in LA, a brand new Mercedes SL 550 worth 4.8 million pesos, which Manny purchased just last week at the Beverly Hills branch of Mercedes. Manny drives to training in his new all-black Benz. You might say the Pinoy has celebrated early. Now and then. Manny Pacquiao is ready for action. The grand finale, November 18 at the Thomas & Mack Center in Las Vegas. Pacquiao versus Morales. Sports Unlimited, will be there.
But if you ever found yourself tied to all the games you play, when the world seems so unfair, you can count on me to stay. Just take some time to learn and hear to this ordinary song. Para sa'yo, ang laban na to. Para sa'yo, ang laban na to. Hindi ako susuko, isisigaw ko sa